Hello everyone, today I will make sandwiches and noodles. The group consists of 7 people. Okay, let's get started. We start by preparing the ingredients, including eggs, bread, noodles, sausage. Step 1. We fry the eggs and wait for them cook. Step 2. Put the cooked egg on the bread, then spread the chili sauce and pour a little ketchup and put the sauce. Step 3. We boil the noodles for 5 minutes and take them out and add the sauces. Step 4. Cut the sandwiches into triangles. Finally, we'll enjoy the food. Jam!